It's excruciating. Your knee stays swollen 24/7, and there's no relief from pain. You can take ibuprofen, you can take painkillers, you can take it doesn't stop the pain. And I told him that I just couldn't stand it anymore. When I came to see him again, I came here to University Orthopedics, and I came over here to see him in this beautiful new building. And he said that I was a candidate to have it done right here on an outpatient basis. And as soon as he said that, I was all in on that, yeah. Just knowing I could go home and not go to the hospital was a big deal. It really was. You come here, you go through a class, they walk you through the whole procedure on what they're gonna do and what they expect you to do. And then after the class, they took us around, they showed us the whole facility. They started on the first floor with the coffee shop and took us all the way up to the 4th floor where therapy is. They showed you the surgical center. They introduced you to some of the nurses that were there. And he basically takes you through the whole building and shows you what happens throughout the whole building on your process. This facility is phenomenal. It's beautiful. It's just, the level of comfort is far better than being in the hospital. Not only are you comfortable here, knowing that you're being so well taken care of, that when you get home, you've got the same comfort. You got your home comfort. You're at home. You're more comfortable at home than you are anywhere. I mean, there's nothing like being able to sit in your own recliner and watch TV, opposed to a hospital bed and watch TV. The most unique part about it, I think, is everybody does get to know you. They know you by name when you walk in the door till the time you leave. I never had a problem with anybody not knowing me. So that's big. You know, when you go into bigger facilities, you don't get that. Don't go to Boston, stop here. Honest to God. Everybody in this facility is phenomenal. They're all well-trained. They're not gonna do it if they didn't think they could. When I tell people that have problems with their knees or anything else, I tell them all. I tell them to call him at University Orthopedics, I really do. He specializes in hips and knees, and that's it. He did both knees. They both came out perfect. I would say thank you very much for doing an awesome job, because my knees, as you can see, bend perfect, where I could not bend them before. So to be able to walk, run, play golf, throw horseshoes, I can do whatever I wanted to do. So yeah, it was an awesome experience here. It really was.